Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I want to start with a simple question. So if you order a laptop from Amazon, when and where you expect to be delivered? Perhaps at your doorstep and as soon as possible, right? But if you apply the same expectation to something more critical than laptop, for example, cancer drug, it was expected to be delivered direct to tumor and kill the cancer cells. However, our current drugs have some limitations. The key problem is lacking targeting abilities to tumor. Even though scientists use the delivery system, there still be limited diversity in the design. In this case, the drug will be released everywhere through our body, and it will kill the normal cells, causing significant side effects, such as hair loss. Now, we are developing peptide-based delivery system to address this limitation and reduce the side effects. But what exactly peptides, and how the peptide-based delivery system work? So peptides are small proteins. It's made up by the amino acid. See here, this is amino acid, the building block of peptide. It can form the peptide, but it should be less than 50 amino acid. If it over 50, it's a protein. Then this peptide can assemble into higher and functional structures. These structures can encapsulate drugs and make the delivery. Because the peptide is found in our body, there are lots of benefits. For example, no toxicity and high compatibilities. As we mentioned, we have 20 amino acids in our human beings. Then we can design the peptide sequence diversely and easily. The most important thing, peptides have targeting abilities. You may wonder how this targeting and design diversity happens. See here, thanks to AI and machine learning, we can design peptide and predict the sequence of the structures. For example, if we design a peptide sequence with 18 amino acids, since there are 20 types of amino acid in nature, there will be like 20 to the power of 18 possible combinations. That's a lot. Then using the machine learning, we can analyze the database and screen the peptide for the high affinity for binding the tumors. So this specific binding is crucial for the targeted drug delivery. When we have the peptide, we can create a peptide drug conjugations. This is our delivery system. This system allows peptide carry the drug to the tumor site and release the drug and kill the cells. However, for the free drug, they lack the targeting. They will release everywhere throughout our body, and that will cause our normal cell death. This is the side effects came from. In this case, we can see. Okay, here is our in vivo result. The y-axis is the size of our tumor. The higher number indicates the large tumor size, and the x-axis is the day after we inject our drugs. So you can see here, the black line is untreated, and the red line is free drug treatment. Excitingly, we can see our peptide drug treatment. This one can maintain the smallest tumor size during the treatment. So this result indicates the efficiency of our peptide-based drug delivery system. Okay, in conclusion, just like we want our laptop to be delivered faster and right to our door, our goal is to deliver our cancer drugs exactly where they need to go. So with our peptide-based delivery system, we are going to create a feature with cancer-efficient delivery without any side effects. Thank you.